Let's talk about Pixellab and Canva. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell.
Which app is better? Is it Canva or Pixellab or both? Which one should I use for graphic design? Which app is best for graphic design on mobile phone? A lot of questions on that kind of thing. But majorly in this video, I'll be talking about Pixellab versus Canva. Pixellab versus Canva. Let's see the app which is best for your mobile graphic design work. I've been using Pixellab for the past 4 years, and Canva also has been one of the tools that saved me where I need quick design ideas or even templates that I can quickly edit to get something out from my smartphone. So looking at Canva, you realize that you integrate your email into that app, which means you can continue from wherever you stop your design, even if it is 2 months, 4 months, or even more than that. But as for Pixellab, if you make the mistake of clearing off your app storage, then you lose all your fonts and all your design projects. In this video, I'm not going to try to make one app look bigger than the other. We are only considering and comparing the two apps, Canva and Pixellab. So let's look at the interface first. Looking at the interface of Pixellab, it looks minimal, and if you can master these two, you'll be able to concentrate and focus on what you design. But as for Canva, you must be someone that is very familiar with all the tools before you can use it effectively. Now, I'll be making mention of some strong points that can make you decide whether to use Canva or Pixellab. So, first, I'll talk about collaboration and sharing of your files. Let's say you are working on a project and you want another person to help you out or continue with your work. You can do that on your Canva, especially if you are using Canva Pro. It is possible for you to collaborate as a team to work on a design. But as for Pixellab, the only option you have is to send your PLP file to the person that has Pixellab. Now, considering the two, I believe that Canva takes that. So let's go to the next thing, which is productivity. Now, for Pixellab, if you have been using Pixellab for long, you will discover that Pixellab can help you become a master in Photoshop or any other design software very fast. Let's say you bought a smartphone and that is the only tool you have to design. The only apps you can use is Canva, Pixellab, and some other mobile apps that is available for smartphone users. Let's say after some months, you then gather funds to buy your own laptop. Using Photoshop, Affinity, CorelDRAW, and all other softwares on your laptop can be easier if you have been using Pixellab. Why? It is a bit close to what you have on your laptop softwares. The reason why I said this is because it is a personal experience. I started out with Pixellab, and after some time I got my own laptop, which made me learn Photoshop usage. And the reason why I'm very good at it very fast is because I already have the understanding of the basic design principles, color theory, typography, and all of those things that I need to master as a graphic designer. If you are using Canva, you may be tempted to use templates to design your work, and most of these things cannot help you to think creatively. So for you to be creative, you have to use Pixellab on that regard. So I give it to Pixellab on this note. Now, thirdly, let's talk about internet and connectivity of the app. On Pixellab, if you are using the basic version, it can pop up some ad. There is a way to settle that. If you need that, you can drop a comment in the comment section for me to share with you how to stop adverts on your Pixellab if you have your internet on. But for Canva, whether you like it or not, you must put on your internet connectivity. While on Pixellab, you may not put on internet connectivity if you don't want to see ads. But if you want to put it on, maybe you want to quickly download some resources and all of that, you can put it on. But for Canva, it is a must because you can't open the app without any internet connection. If your internet is bad, you may struggle with working. For Pixellab, you can work seamlessly without internet connection. What you need to do is just download your resources before starting your design. So, and if you have conceptualized your design in your head or on paper, then you can download every font, every element you need, all things you need for the design. Then you can progress with your design without internet. But for Canva, you must put on your connection. So on this note, Pixellab got it. However, it is not a point. If you have internet connection, you don't need to worry about that. So there are a lot of things I need to talk about, but lastly, I'll be talking about this point, type of content that is good on Canva. Canva is available on your laptop too. Pixellab, there is a way some people use ways they put their Pixellab on their laptop. Some questions have come up like, how do I put Pixellab on my laptop, all of that. I'm not going to that topic for now, so let's focus on what we are here for. Now, when we are talking about the type of design that is very good on both apps, for your Canva, I believe that Canva is the best for social media designs because of the way it is. It can enable you to share your design straight to your Facebook and every other app like that. But for Pixellab, you can also share after saving to maybe Facebook and all of that. But you must understand that when talking about design, the concept of the design is what we are talking about in this regard. Because on Pixellab, you can create unique manipulations. While in Canva, there are also options for manipulations, but it is not as good as Pixellab. I create a lot of manipulation on Pixellab that looks as if it is Photoshop. There are some manipulation I did in some of my videos. If you check out my video on beginner tutorial, the course for beginners that I place on this YouTube channel, you realize that there are some manipulation you can do with Pixellab that looks as if it is Photoshop. In fact, there is a video I created that I said I made my own design, I made my own Photoshop with Pixellab. So some things like that. So either you are using Canva or Pixellab, I believe that it is your choice of option. But when talking about being creative, I'll go for Pixellab. When talking about making sure that you collaborate and ensure that you have a lot of options, mockups, templates, and all of that, you go for Canva. So both apps, you can use it side by side, considering the project that you have on hand. You can drop a comment. If there is a question, you can drop it for me. I will attend to them. And also share this to other creative out there to spark up conversation. Let us talk. If you have any other opinion, you can drop it in the comments. If you believe that Pixellab is better, Canva is the strongest. So as for this, I stand on the middle. Either it is Canva, either it is Pixellab. You still have something good to place your hand on for both.